Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts trying again later on the application of Microsoft Teams. We go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about Microsoft Teams. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.